Your NBC 26 Storm Tracker forecast with Chief Meteorologist Chris Still.
Well, if you haven't heard by now, it's going to rain out there much of the weekend, and it could rain a whole lot. That's why the flash flood watch is in effect through 8 o'clock on Monday, although I think the bulk of the rain for us will happen after midnight tonight through your day on Saturday. Not a whole lot going on out there right now. We do have some drizzle, kind of a drizzly, cool evening, temperatures in the 60s, but there is some heavier rain off to our east. Most of it along the Grand Strand of South Carolina down into the low country, and this heavier rain will build to the east, even some rain across southern Georgia trying to find its way up I-75, but the heaviest rain is going to hold off until after this evening. But by the time you plan your Saturday, 80% chance of rain, 7 o'clock in the morning. Temperatures on the cool side in the low 60s. They may rise into the mid to upper 60s. 70% chance of rain at 3 p.m. Flooding possible as we get later in the day and the rain has more time to fall, so that will certainly be something to watch. On our tower cam out there tonight, we have a drizzly evening, very foggy looking, but officially no rain showing up there on the radar. Cool north wind tonight at 7 miles per hour. Temperatures around the CSRA are mostly in the middle 60s down to the south. We have 66 for Allendale, Sylvania, and Millen. Over into Louisville, up to the north, lower 60s with 61 in Aiken and 63 at this hour with that drizzle around in Lincolnton. Here's our water vapor satellite showing the storm system that is developing. That big swirl in the atmosphere there, that's the upper level low. It's a pool of cold air aloft, and relatively speaking, that makes the air at the surface warmer, makes it rise faster, and really intensifies rain. Add in the fact you have a hurricane here streaming moisture up to the north and a high pressure up to the north trying to focus that into our area. And that's where that potential for heavier rain is going to come from, is this low actually drifts to the east to right about here and intensifies our rain possibly as we head toward the day on Saturday. Meanwhile, Hurricane Joaquin is still maintaining strength. It was a Category 4 storm, but it has weakened a little bit. Winds at 5 miles per hour, 125, centered 720 miles southeast of Augusta. But this storm is not going to make landfall. In fact, it's really not even going to come close to making landfall. However, the moisture from the storm will be what gives us the rain rather than the storm itself. There's the latest forecast from the National Hurricane Center. If it makes landfall anywhere, it might actually be over there in Bermuda, as that forecast track continues to shift farther and farther to the east. But the track does not matter as far as our rain is concerned. It will really have no effect on that. Here's the rainfall forecast from 8 o'clock tonight through 8 o'clock on Sunday night. Storm total rain. Notice that bullseye there. That is 10 to 15 inches of rain in the forecast across the Midlands of South Carolina, maybe even our eastern counties here. Meanwhile, 1 to 2 inches, maybe less than that in Swainsboro. So the line between very heavy rain and just an ordinary rainy Saturday is very thin. So we'll hope for the lesser amounts of rain. On the other hand, 7 to 10 inches of rain in the Augusta area is serious business. Generally speaking, the farther west you go, the less rain there will be. 3 to 4 inches forecast for Louisville. Aiken, 10 inches, maybe 12 inches of rain in your forecast. The bulk of that after midnight tonight through tomorrow night, and then Sunday looks just a little better. Overnight tonight, 100% chance of rain after midnight, though. 61 in Barnwell, 59 for Thomson. Saturday, 100% chance of rain, steady rain, heavy at times, only 67 for the high in Waynesboro. There's your 7-day forecast, low to mid 70s for high temperatures, mainly showers early in the day Sunday. But Paige, it really is going to be a close call. This could be a really big event for us, or just a rainy Saturday.
All right, remains to be seen. All right, thanks, Chris.